mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob. Put that shit on the mob.
Mob, what it do, broski? We back to scheduled programming, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we back doing this, how we do us, G. About to go pick up these Yeezys, man. I'ma see if he can win me back over, bro. Bro, I might not be able to get these shits, man. You know what I'm saying? The traffic is at a standstill right here at the exit. You know what I mean? I only got like 30 minutes to pick up the shoe. They held the reservations until 6 today. Usually they do it at 3. But I guess because it was on a Friday and they knew motherfuckers had to work, they held them out until 6. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. I might not be able to get this damn shoe, man. 5 minutes away from the mall right now. This traffic make this shit feel like it's gonna take an hour to get there, bro. And I'm looking for my phone on the floor. I'm trying to see what time it is. It's, what? 5:27. It's 5:27, bro. Fingers crossed, bro. Fingers crossed. Hopefully I get them shits. Get there in time to get them shits. So yeah, bro, we finally made it inside the mall, man. Based off how many cars was outside, bro, I really thought it was gonna be like a gang of people in the mall, but it ain't that crowded, bro. It really ain't that crowded. But shit, that don't even matter right now. The only thing that matters is me getting in the store before 6. And I'm still tight on time, bro. So let's get to it. Damn, and my lens started. Mom.
I know you see me shining, but you can't feel my pain. My hustle come from the struggle, bro. Stay the fuck out my lane. Hey, money on call, let's get it. Hey, I'm finna give me a million. Hey, you coming close like a feeling. I know you see me shining, but you can't feel my pain. My hustle come from the struggle, bro. Stay the fuck out my lane.
Mob, with 8 minutes left on the clock, broski. We came through with the dub, man. You know what I'm saying? God almighty. Feel good, bro. That almost was an L. Man. And the guys was in store lined up. They were about to give them tickets, you know what I'm saying? These joints were finna be gone. I feel like I seen, I wanna say 7 or 8 other cats just waiting for the extra pair, so I don't think it's gonna be sitting, bro. I don't think these Yeezos gonna be sitting. How the Sesames was and how the Zebras was. Like, I think these joints gonna be out of here, but only time can tell, man. I might swing back through the mall just to see if any pairs are sitting in display or on the shelf, or you know what I'm saying? Interesting, bro. Y'all think y'all gotta swag back with the kicks at least? You know what I'm saying? Let me know. But of course we gotta get back to the crib, bust these joints down. Back in the Mob Museum, you know what I'm saying? Finna finish off this banger, broski. And I don't even know if I gave a shout out to all my day ones, youngins, OGs, and new members alike, but shit, shout out to all my OGs, youngins, day ones, and new members alike, broski. You know what I mean? Y'all see I linked up with the good broski Frey, and I hope y'all following him on IG already. But he laced me up with the review on the Spider-Mans, you know what I'm saying? I didn't actually get to grab a personal pair. Them shits was dumb limited, bro. We was both in there around 6 o'clock, and he was pulling up around about the same time I did, so, you know what I mean? Everybody was already in place, and they was giving out tickets for the extras. But the only extras that they had was Yeezys, bro. You know what I'm saying? The ones sold out. It was only one extra one in the foot action. And the guy actually showed up like right beside me. So we came to claim this pair, you know what I'm saying? I don't believe it was any unclaimed pairs of the Spider-Man, broski. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's just get straight into the mix. I'ma zoom in a little bit. Size 12, suggested retail, 160. Made in China. Air Jordan 1, Retro OG High, style code 555-088-602, gem red, black, white, photo blue. You know what I'm saying? And the colors are under that look like it's maybe in French. Some other, y'all know it's all kind of different languages up under that, but yeah, man, typical Air Jordan 1 box. No need to get carried away with all the visuals in the box and all that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what's up with the box. Check out the bottom of that jank. So yeah, bro, that's the box. Let's get into the shoe, man. You know what I mean? You can see the paper, ain't nothing special with the paper. Packaging pretty standard. You know what I mean? We got all the packaging of a general release. But we all know this shoe is far from a general release, broski. God almighty. This is a big old size 12. So yeah, man, I won't be able to hit y'all with the how I lace my Spider-Mans or the on foot and all that, you know what I'm saying? This ain't my personal pair. But bro, these joints look good, man. You can barely tell the dots on there just looking at them without the light being on them, you know what I'm saying? If I ain't had this light flashed on there, you could not see the dots. Up close, the dots look weird as shit. But man, when you hit them with that flash, broski. When you hit them joints with that flash, they look crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I'm gonna toss a pic in there for y'all so y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? I took a picture of them real quick in front of the fireplace. Wanted to see what they look like real lit up and get that off on the gram. But yeah, man, back to the kicks. You got a weird, bro, it feel like a rubberized leather. This ain't like the typical collar, you know what I'm saying? This ain't the normal leather collar. Just right off at the top, like with the collar's totally different. I've never felt the material like this on any other Jordan. I can, you know what I'm saying? This shit feel like a tire almost. You know what I'm saying? It's rubberized. It ain't no leather. If it is, it's something different. You know what I'm saying? Some kind of synthetic blend they got going on around the collar. But man, the leathers on the rest of the shoe, the reds, the white, you know what I mean? The leather on the toe, all that is good money, bro. Broski got a high quality pair. I'm pretty sure quality is inconsistent from pair to pair. But this pair I'm sitting here looking at is A1. You got that photo blue on the tongue with the red Nike Air on the inside. Literature on the back of the tongue. Black laces. Came with an extra set of red. Check out the lace bag and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? Man, I don't know why I would have never ever thought to even start looking at that shit if it wasn't for that damn D and Unbreakable Kicks fucking video, man. God, I cannot wait till that shit get out of my system. But yeah, we all know the stitching is gonna vary from pair to pair, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at the left shoe and the right shoe. Like, bam, okay. Stitching hit right on the swoosh on this inside. Let's see if it do like that on the inside. Slightly above, it ain't right dead on it, but it's slightly above it on this side. You know what I mean? So yeah, and look at it. This one dead on the swoosh. It don't even line up, it just come down, it touches the swoosh, then go down. So pretty much, bro, it's the Chicago ones with some rubberized shit at the collar. This blue tab right here. And whoa, let's not forget that icy outsole. You know what I'm saying? Peek the outsole one time for the one time. That part right there is hard as fuck. I do like the icy outsole. You know what I'm saying? I ain't used to seeing a clear outsole on the Jordan 1. Please, 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 somebody, if they was, oh, okay, I'm tripping. The laser joints, the white laser joints that dropped with the laser fours, they had an icy outsole, didn't it? Or was it a white outsole? I want to say those was icy. But damn, man, the Jordan 1 outsole looks pretty as hell. I would be dumb scared to wear these hoes. I would probably get some sole protectors, to be totally honest with you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Sole protectors, sole defenders, sole shields, whatever you call them shits. Whoever you choose to support, it really don't matter for real, but you know what I mean? Yeah, bro. This is hard. Blue tips on the laces. Let's see if it's any tips or what's the case may be. Oh, we got a photo blue insole with a red swoosh in that jank. Red tips on these laces. Oh, that's just fire. They hit them with the red tips too. Yeah, that's nasty. Man, shout out to anybody who got to do it for real, broski. Moving along, we got a whole nother shoe to talk about, broski. The motherfucking McChickens, man. And we got them in a personal size, G. Yeah, hold on. I ain't tripping. Look. You see that? Zoom in a little bit so you can peek that label. Personal size, man.
Mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob.